Welcome back to Let's Automate This. This is Anthony Virgo. I am chilling with one of my good friends in Philly. We having a bros weekend, and I'm telling them about some AI stuff that I'm doing. So let's automate this. So what I'm gonna do is a session that I'm gonna do on my YouTube is build a live session right here with my friend. He does his own welding business, and we're gonna pretty much make a welding landing page for him in real time. So let's do that. Introduce yourself real quick.
Let's do it. My name is Akeem Campbell. You can call me the Black Welder. You know what I'm saying? And I also operate Campbell's Welding. We based out of Charlotte, North Carolina. I handle all your welding needs, matter if it's custom, if it's just a repair, aluminum, steel, stainless, bronze, it don't matter, I weld it. That's what I do, I'm the welder.
Definitely.
And right now my friend gonna help me make these videos.
Right.
So more people can see what I do.
Yeah, so the goal is really to get them out there with the content, but also like set up a real like system for him as well. So this is where I come in, where we're just gonna, he already had a landing page before and all that stuff. We're just gonna build one live, probably like a refresh updated version of one.
Yeah.
And then just show him like some AI capabilities that it could go for his business when he start to grow and scale. And then also as he built his personal brand. This whole thing is about like doing content and doing a whole transformation. So AI is just one point, but like he said, we're gonna be helping him with the videos as well. So that's like marketing, advertising, all that stuff, 100%. All right, so this is a format, this AI format, which is called like markdown format. That's pretty much what they call it. And this is how I'm gonna like construct and like really start to brainstorm on your website. So it's really simple. 9 out of 10, you don't really even have to, like, once you know this format, you really don't even have to like do this like personally. You just like know how to prompt something like automatically in this way. But the fact that I'm doing like a tutorial on like building a website, I'm gonna just go through this with you.
Yeah, let's do the whole thing.
So I would say like, what would start listening? All right, what would you say would be like your personal tone of the website? What would you say?
The personal tone of my website would be to let people know that I do welding, let them know what type of welding that I do, and for them to be able to access me through there, letting me know what type of jobs they want, like what quotes on jobs, I would say.
So right now I'm just using like my Mac voice control to transcribe all this, you feel me? So I'm just putting it in the format. Usually you could type all this shit out, but for me, I'm gonna just speak it, because that's like,
it's easier.
That's how I want people to understand how easy it is to use AI for the most part. You could just talk to your computer and the shit just get done type shit. You feel me?
I got you.
You feel me? So this is how I do like the format, but usually you'll have to like type this in. You feel me?
Mm-hmm.
But for us, we just not even gonna do that. So next, what would you want like in building like a landing page or something like that? What would you want the site to do? Or the main purpose of the site. How about that?
The main purpose of the site to me, I want the site to be able to get in front of people's eyes, I would say, by Google or by Instagram, but directing it to that site, like they would know, okay, he does welding, he does this here, he does it here in Charlotte, and they know that they can contact that number, they know that they can use that website to contact me, basically. For sure. So they could see my previous jobs, and they'll be able to use that website to contact me for their future jobs.
This is how I'm gonna design pretty much your ideal kind of landing page and an agent that kind of do.
Gotcha.
You feel
Do
me?
it, yeah, for
Alright,
sure.
So
That was it?
yeah, that was it. I mean, most of it is like some extra stuff, but it's talking about like tone, level of enthusiasm. This is really like a format to build like an AI agent. But I'm using it to build the website, and then I'm gonna build an agent with it. You feel me? So it's really is asking like what's really like your tone for the agent itself, But like I said, when I'm building it, I'm just gonna use this as an example. So I'm gonna start with I'm gonna do both of them at the same time. I'm gonna damn near build the voice AI agent for you, and then I'm gonna build you the website just so you can see the shit. You feel me?
All right, hell yeah.
We're gonna open a new project. Let's see. We're gonna go into. Let's go to documents, cursor, AI marketing, website build. Let me create a website build. Let me create a new folder in website build. I'm put Akeem's Welding site. So based on like what we just talked about, this is what I'm gonna tell the AI to do. So we just did the notes, but now I'm gonna tell the AI to pretty much like build around what you got going on. You feel me?
Gotcha.
That's why I did the notes.
Because you could just copy and paste them.
Yeah, I could copy and paste it, but honestly, I'm just gonna tell it. You feel me? Okay, Claude. This is what we need to do. We need to build a website for a welding company. So do some research on what's out there in welding in terms of the services and what's happening in the demographic of Charlotte, North Carolina. That's where this welding company is going to be based. The purpose of this website is honestly to attract, pretty much clients overall, but also like government bids and large contracts. So we want it to be authentic to welding, but also like a sophisticated and like, people are coming to get a really, really great job done. The owner of this company goes by the Black Welder. So some way, shape, or form incorporate that into what a landing page / web app is gonna look like for him. The main purpose of the website is to, one, get his name out there, build notoriety, show his previous work so that people could people could book with him for his future work. The colors of the website should be red, black, and white. Those are pretty much his main colors, so they're staples. So design the website in that manner. And also remember that it's based in Charlotte, North Carolina. So that's where most of his clientele is going to come from. But he's open and serving the entire North Carolina. So what I need you to do now is build a landing page, actually a web app for him. Yep. So right now it's being made, it's getting done. The plan is coming for you. What you're gonna do, go ahead and airdrop my computer some pictures and videos. You guys didn't see that part. I went into ChatGPT and I pretty much gave it a prompt for me to then put into ElevenLabs. So let me make sure I got the other screens set up so you guys could see. So I'm gonna go ahead and build a new agent. I'm gonna call it Welding Agent. So ChatGPT already made the prompt for me, so I'm gonna go ahead and go back into ChatGPT and get the prompt. You guys can use any large language model when it comes to, getting prompts or understanding prompts or just doing prompts on your own. Obviously, you want to recheck it, but for this tutorial, we're just gonna breeze right through it because we're gonna do it fast. You know what I mean? Okay, so we got the prompt. We put it in ElevenLabs. Let me just make sure the OBS is OBSing. Okay, so we got the prompt in ElevenLabs. We're gonna go ahead and pick the voice. You want a male voice? All right, cool.
Well, I don't want it to sound fake.
So that's the voice we're gonna use. So pretty much now you have a voice AI agent that could answer phone calls and all that for you. You feel me?
No, it's fact.
So that's locked in. We're gonna preview that while the website is being built. So let's so act like you're calling yourself. You know what I mean? So act like you're calling yourself. And what would you ask yourself if you wanted a welding service done? This is Mike, an AI coordinator. This is sure. Okay. So it just built the website real quick. Pretty much it just used the template, the black welder, you know what I mean? So
That look fire, man.
services, MIG welding, structure, steel fabrication. We're gonna spice it up a little bit with like the pictures that you sent me. But this website just popped up, you know what I mean?
I like it.
Do you own that domain? Like, do you got to purchase
So
it?
is a server on my website right now. That's what it's running off of. I would have to buy the domain and do all that to make it live.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's just running off my server. So results that build trust. So 500 plus projects, 10 years, and it's just making stuff up until you tell it something, you know, good. So reputation, fake reviews, you'll get fake reviews type shit, you feel me?
I like that.
The quality and all that, you feel me? It's all in there. And then ready to start booking. So here's like your booking information, and then you'll send a quote. But the good thing about like the AI agent, it could be like your answer machine too. But anytime somebody fill this out, the AI agent could call the person. You feel me? It could do that too. You feel me? So that's like good. And then questions. So this is pretty much a mock website for your company. You feel me? I'm gonna go back to building your agent, and then we just gonna test it out.
Hello, this is Mike, an AI coordinator. Thanks for calling Campbell's Welding and Fabrication. How can I help you today?
Well, I have this railing that I'm trying to have built. And
Okay, so you're looking to have a rail fabricated. Is this for a residential property or a commercial one? And is it something that needs to be fixed, or are you building something new?
I'm gonna be building something new, and it's gonna be for commercial.
Got it. So, a new commercial rail. Can you tell me a little more about the scope of the job? For example, what kind of metal are you looking to use, and where is the job located?
We're gonna be using steel, carbon steel metal, and it's gonna be located in Charlotte, North Carolina.
All right, carbon steel in Charlotte, North Carolina. That's something we handle all the time. To get you taken care of, how soon are you looking to have this done?
As soon as possible.
Understood, we can prioritize that. Let's get you scheduled for an estimate so we can take a closer look at the project and get you an accurate quote. What's a good name and phone number for you?
Man, I like that. You can't tell me nothing. I like that right there, bro.
A real agent.
Yo, for real, bro. That junk crazy.
And this is really just like me not even doing anything with it. You feel me? Like
I know, like not putting in my information or
you can put in
anything.
more sauce on it, do all that. You feel me?
That shit serious for real, bro. I can still be on the job working.
Yeah.
That's what I like.
Exactly. Stay on the job working.
Instead of having to stop and pick up the phone and shit.
Yeah.
It's messing me up on my getting the job done. This shit is amazing. This is better than like the one motherfuckers made for me type shit.
Yeah.
This one, I mean, the other one looked good, but this is like right.
Yeah.
So you would use that app for mainly everything?
Yeah. For the most part, building anything.
Because you know, some people might think they need to download like several apps.
Nah.
You see what I'm saying?
Nah.
To do different things.
What Claude Code does. So I had it on like bypass permission mode. So it was just doing everything without me having to approve it. You know what I mean? So if you do that, like you could just like speed up the process on a lot of things, or just like have it kind of have its own autonomy to get the job done. You feel me?
Nah, I got
it
you.
is like a security kind of like thing, but it's like if you know what you're doing or already know what kind of like we just built a fake website for you. You feel me? But we wasn't doing nothing crazy. You feel me? So it didn't have to do nothing crazy like that. But it would, if you needed other tools and stuff like that, it'll download it for you. You feel me? And it'd be like, well, this on the internet. I found this on the internet. This is what do this for you. I could download it on your computer, and then it'll download on your computer and open it and start running it. You feel me?
Got you.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Yeah,
This is crazy.
yeah, it's crazy, man.
I gotta get into it.
It's crazy.
Yeah, I gotta get into it. That's definitely extra help. That's definitely extra help. That's gonna help me for sure. For sure, bro. Like I say, because I'm the only one working on the job.
Right.
So it sucks to have to know that you gotta do a lot of work and try to finish this job.
Right.
And then have to take phone calls.
Right.
You know, like that messes me up.
Right.
So this is amazing.
1000%. And we did that in definitely less than a half an hour, and that was just me going through every step. You feel me?
No, facts.
Oh God, you
Nah,
feel me?
facts.
We ain't
That was
even
right.
prep the website up, fine tune it, none of that, and we ain't even fine tune the agent either. It's just doing what it's doing. You feel
Nah,
me?
for sure. Dang, we didn't even fine tune the agent.
Yo, that's what I'm saying. So once
That's for
we
sure.
really say it'll be like this. Like I could build something for anybody or you just like that, and then we'll have another conversation like, yo, what you want to change, this, that, and the third.